that way.
Okay. So you see this little straw that I'm sucking on? It is plastic. No, I'm just kidding. It's biodegradable corn. Go figure. That came in a plastic cover. Whatever. I'm just drinking my Bloody Mary. And I'm having a margarita. Alice.
Bloody Mary. A Bloody Mary.
Yay. We're at what used to be called the Flying Pig in Sonora, California. And now it's called something else. Willows.
It's called
Winters?
Motherlode.
Huh?
Motherlode.
Motherlode Tavern. Winter.
Tavern, Motherlode. Yeah, whatever.
Anyway, we're here.
A lot of names.
So, and we're staying right across the street. Anyway, we're going to have dinner and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, so our food's here. I might not be able to see it. It's dark in here. Anyway, I got a turkey. I got a turkey sandwich and some fries. Look at the fries.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
They are yummy. And she got a meatball sandwich. And it's good. It's good. You nuts. And Alice got...
I got fish and chips. And they are delicious.
Yum, yum.
What do that?
I said I got a turkey sandwich and funky looking fries. And the fries are really good. They look like wind chime things. And they're hot.
Yeah.
Hi Alice, tell us a story.
Tell you a story? I'll tell you a story about one time when me and my brother decided to go to Mexico. And he had a tricycle and I had a tricycle. And we were gone for 4 hours before my parents realized that we were gone. So they had to call the police. And we were on the other side of Gilroy. And we seen the cop car come. And we were like, oh, hell no. So we turned it around or actually my brother got caught by the police officer. And he took his bike and he was walking it back to the car. Well, I decided to turn my trike around and take off. But I didn't get very far because my wheel fell off. And he came and he picked up my bike. And you could tell he wanted to laugh.
Your brother?
No, the police officer. Because he found us. And then he took us back to the police department, and there was my mom, and you would think that she would be like, oh, and bring us to our arms and hug us and glad that we were back. Oh no, he pinched me on the back of my arm so hard, and I went, ah, Mom, quit pinching me. And the police officer just looked the other way.
Anyway, it was a nice time. Nice to get away with my sister and Alice, and yeah. So I'll check back in when we get on the road. Not exactly sure when we'll take off. We're loading up the car right now, but we'll get on the road in a little bit later. I wanted to... Oh, there's the girl waving hi. To mention, just in case Lindsay and my daughter Lindsay and my son Eric watch this show, that building right there, Winter's Tavern, Motherlode Grill. That's what used to be when we lived up here. We used to go there a lot. It was the Flying Pig restaurant. We used to go there a lot for breakfast, lunches. They liked it. Anyway, we're headed that direction today to Twain Harte. So we're getting ready to leave. There's my sister and Alice bringing down the ice chest. Anyway, we about froze our butts off last night. And we looked and looked and looked and couldn't find a heater in the room we were in, which seemed kind of odd. But then this morning, we found it behind my sister's suitcase next to the TV. Anyway, we're headed to Twain Harte this morning, see what kind of trouble we can get in there. I'll check back in later. Bye. Okay, we are coming into Twain Harte. It took us a whole, what, 5 minutes to get here from Sonora? Yeah. Yeah, you can go there. Oy.
This is a nice little quaint town.
Yeah, it is. Little cottage cafe. How cute.
All that matters is bringing this and that.
There's the Welcome Center.
So is this it right
This is it. Fine place to park. There is actually a park further down to your left. I think.
This is my last.
No. There's the park. Yes, you turn right way. I think the last time I was here there was snow.
Fire.
Wine tasting.
Isn't there
Big circle.
sunshine? Oh, it's cloudy.
So just kind of roaming around the town today, looking at stuff, and I'm not quite sure how I'm feeling. What? Oh, feel the forest. Okay, we're gonna walk around in town and see what we can see. I'll cut you back in. My sister found a nice spot. It's called Kitchen Gadgets. I was wondering why she was walking so fast. Now I know.
Aren't you the one that said that these are good? Good. Somebody uses these.
Washcloths.
Yeah.
Yes,
that they work.
they're great. I've got a recipe. I got directions to make them out of the like tutu twill, I think it's called. They work great.
You don't have one of these.
Yeah, because somebody threw it away.
Why not? It's full of lies. It's really full of lies. What is it?
A whisk.
I know, but why is it shaped like that?
Oh, it's a
It's the new and improved version.
rock
What the hell is that?
to hold your recipes. Look.
Oh. I get it.
Yeah.
This is what that guy bought. He bought those.
The easy whip.
Oh, look at the cute little teapot.
Is this the one not watered? No,
Look, it looks like a tree. So here in Twain Harte, we found this park. You can see that. No overnight parking, but it is a cute place. Got some toys for kids or adults that like to play. It's got a baseball park back there. It's got a golf club. Thought they had a mini golf thing, but I don't see it anymore. They've got a little community garden thing over there. I don't know if you can see it. Boxes, so people can buy their own little space to put in their private garden. Anyway, looks like Rotary has a little building. Anyway, says thank you volunteers and private donors. Twain Harte Community District. Well, they have a garden tour, had a garden tour last Sunday, a week ago. $12, wow. Marigolds. maybe that's lavender. Look at those tomatoes. They're not like Romas. I don't know what those are. Somebody's got some nice kale. Real nice. Oh, and tomatillos. And onions. Looks like cilantro. Purple cabbage. I think. Yeah. Strawberries. Somebody working in our garden. Trimming up them tomatoes. Okay, well, my sister's here to pick me up, so back on the road. I'll put you back in. Okay, so while we're here, we found that there is a walking trail here at Twain Harte. So, I'm gonna see what this is all about. Oh, you're going the wrong way. Ooh, little stream.
That's probably where the poop goes.
I'll edit that out. Bear droppings.
Is that bear dropping?
No.
Oh. So you don't step on them at this point because you guys are...
Cougar droppings.
Whoa.
Huh? Hi.
I heard that.
What'd I say?
I don't know. But
Where?
it was like,
Do you think this was a nice trail?
I don't know.
this is what?
Do you think it's a nice trail?
A nice trail?
Yeah, I think once you get past this, it will be. Slippery. We could always sit on our butts and scoop down it. Look at her. Look at her. She's running. Oh, nice. Look. Water's kind of yucky looking. Kind of murky looking. But it's running clear over there. It's pretty. So quiet. Okay, catch up with them. I'll cut back in a sec. Okay, catching up. They got berry bushes. Oh, look. Look at the berries. Can't find them on the camera. They're there.
Did you see how big they were?
The berries, yeah.
No, the mosquitoes.
No? Are there mosquitoes?
Yeah, we're gonna go to a different.
Oh, she's done.
This trail's nasty.
Okay. All right,
Anyway,
we're going back. Yeah, here's the Twain Harte hiking trail, right off the park by the fire station. A lot of mosquitoes, and it wasn't too clean. There's a lot of trash. Anyway, I didn't bring a bag to pick up.